Hi everyone, this is Practice Formatif Chapter 3, question number 23. So the following diagram shows part of the curve y equals to 4 plus 3x minus x squared, which is this one, and the straight line y equals to x plus 1. So we have to find the ratio of the area of the shaded region A to the area of the shaded region B. So let's look at the area of the shaded region A first. So the upper graph is the y1, the lower graph is the y2. So in order for us to get the shaded region A, we have to take the y1 minus the y2, because the area under the curve is this. When we integrate the y1 up to this point, okay? But we want the gray shader, the part A only. Therefore, the one at the bottom need to be minus away. So isn't it, we have to integrate the area of the linear graph? So therefore, for part A, the area of part A, we shall take integration from, okay, the boundaries is the one that we need to find. So how do we find? Point of intersection. So it is when y1 equals to y2. So let's find that part first. So y1 is 4 plus 3x minus x squared. The y2 is x plus 1. So bring this over so that we have the positive x squared. So x squared minus 3x minus 4 plus x plus 1 equals to 0. So x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals to 0. So we can factorize this part. It will be x and the x, 3 and 1. So we have negative and positive. So from there, x equals to negative, equals to 3, or x equals to negative 1. So we found here is negative 1 and here is 3. Okay, and not forgetting this as well, we need to find the root for the curve. So from y1, if y1 equals to 0, so 4 plus 3x minus x squared equals to 0. So x squared minus 3x plus 4 equals to 0. So for this part, right, we can factorize this, x and the 4 and x and the 1 equals to 0. So negative and positive. So we have x equals to 4 or x equals to negative 1. So this is 4 here because negative 1 is already found just now. Okay, so now we can find the area of part A, the shaded region A, that will be integrating the curve minus the straight line from negative 1 to 3. So the upper graph, which is 4 plus 3x minus x squared, minus the linear graph, that is x plus 1. So minus x plus 1, there's a bracket there. So when we open up the bracket, it becomes minus x minus 1 dx. Let's simplify. Let's simplify this. So we have 4 minus 1, that is 3. 3x minus x, that is 2x, and then minus x squared. Okay, so with this, now we can integrate it. So we have 3x plus x squared minus x cubed over 3 from negative 1 to 3. So substitute the 3 in. So we have 9 plus 9 minus 27 over 3. Take away negative 3 plus 1 minus negative 1 over 3. So this one we can count manually. So we have 9 here. And then over here, minus, we have negative 2 plus 1/3. 10 and 2 over 3 unit squared. Okay, that is area of A. What about area of B? So the area of B, let's look at the B. So let me just erase the green shaded region. Okay, so focus in the area of B. So the B is consist of the area under the linear graph as well as the curve. The curve is here. Okay, so we will have two parts that we need to add together. Therefore, let's add the function. So from -1 to 3, it is the linear graph. So for the linear graph, actually, we can use the formula of triangle, but never mind, just use integration will do. So we integrate x plus 1 dx, and then we got a plus from 3 to 4 of the curve. So the curve is 4 plus 3x minus x squared dx. So over here, we have x squared over 2 plus x, and then integrate from -1 to 3 plus 4x plus 3x squared over 2 minus x cubed over 3 from 3 to 4. So for this part, we need to be patient to substitute and calculate the value of this expression. So we have 3 when we substitute in 9 over 2 plus 3, and then we minus -1 when we square is 1 over 2 minus 1. So this is the first part. And then the second part will be this. Okay, so plus, put the 4 in, 16 plus 3 times 16 over 2 minus 4 cubed is 64 over 3. And then minus, substitute the 3 in. So we have 4 times 3 is 12 plus 3 squared is 9. 9 times 3, 27. So 27 over 2 minus 27 over 3. Okay. So let's call the help of calculator less problem, okay? Less problematic to deal with so many fractions. So over here, I shall do like this. So 9 over 2 plus 3, then minus half, which is 0.5 minus 1. So we got, for the first part is 8. Now the second part here, okay, we can, let's simplify it first. 2 and 8. Over here, there is a 9 here. All right. So we shall take 16 plus 24. 3 times 8 is 24. And then minus 64 over 3. That gives us 18 and 2/3. 18 and 2/3 minus. So we minus 12. 12 plus 27 over 2. And then minus 9. So 16 and a half. 16 and a half. So now let's combine these 3 terms. So we have 8 plus 18 and 2/3. And then minus 16 and a half, the last answer. Okay, there's my minus symbol. Minus the last answer. So we have 10 and 1 over 6. 10 and 1 over 6 unit squared. But that's not the end of the answer yet, because we have to find the ratio. So always remember what we are looking for. So we want to find the ratio of the A to the B. So let's put that. So the area of A to the area of B, we write this one, 10 and 2 over 3 to 10 and 1 over 6. Change it to improper fraction. So we have 32 over 3 to 61 over 6. And then we times 6 on both sides, so we will have 64 to 61. Therefore, the ratio of the area shaded region A to the area shaded region of B is 64 to 61. So we found the answer.